students, welcome back to Basic Mathematics, where we make math simple. And today we have this before us. We have 3 raised to the power of n equal to 1 all over 9 raised to the power of 2. This is simple indices, and for we to solve it, we have to know what this is and what this is. So we have to put all of them in the same base. And remember, according to the rule of indices, one of them says that whenever a number is raised to the power of 0, that the value of any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay? And then for we to get this simplified, the two numbers must have the same base. So they must have common base. Okay? So what we're trying to achieve is to make all of them to have base 3. Okay? So having known that any power raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we're going to raise this, the numerator here, be raised to the power of, will be 3 raised to the power of 0, and then we simplify. And remember that 9 is 3 times 3, which is 3 raised to the power of 2. So any number raised to the power of 0, that's one of the rules of indices, is 1. So we have 1 to be, in this case, 3 raised to the power of 0, and then 9 raised to the power of 2. And we remember that 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3, which is going to be 3 raised to the power of 2. Alright? So having gotten that into our head, we simplify now. So we have this to be 3 raised to the power of n equal to 3 raised to the power of 0, okay? All over 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by these 2. Then to get it simplified, we have a 3 raised to the power of n equal to this 3 raised to the power of 0. Remember that this is division. Okay? This thing means what? Division. It should be divided by 3 raised to the power of 2 times 2 is 4. Now we can simplify. And remember, according to one of the rules of indices, whenever we have a number with common base dividing each other, that it means subtraction. So we are going to subtract this 4 from 0. So what we have now becomes 3 raised to the power of n equal to 3 raised to the power of 0 minus this 4. Okay? And we have 3 raised to the power of n to be 3 raised to the power of minus 4. And since they have common base, we take this and this out. So what we have left here now is that n equal to negative 4. And that is how it is simplified, friends. I hope it's as simple as I told us. Bye.